How to reset forgotten NinjaTrader password. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you've forgotten your password while logging into NinjaTrader, then the process is quite easy to reset it. So let's get started. First of all, open NinjaTrader app on your device, and in the login area, simply tap on the forgot password under the password box. On the next page, write down your username or email associated with your NinjaTrader account. Once done, click on Retrieve Password. On the next page, go check your email inbox for the reset link. Open up your email service provider's inbox and open the email from NinjaTrader. Now click on Reset Your Password and select any web browser. Once you do that, on the next page, enter your username and then set a new password for yourself. After typing down your username, enter a new password. Re-enter the new password once again in the next field. And finally, click on Set New Password. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to reset your forgotten password on NinjaTrader. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.